Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to help you fix a very common issue in Ubuntu when your terminal autocomplete is not working as it should. I will show you 3 different solutions so you can get it back to working smoothly. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. The first thing we will check is whether the required autocomplete support is even installed. Ubuntu uses a package called bash completion for this, so first let's check that. Open your terminal by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T on your keyboard and paste this command. Then hit Enter. This command will install the autocomplete feature from bash, allowing you to press Tab to autocomplete file names, commands, or more. Hit Enter and enter your password. Wait a few seconds, and if it is already installed, Ubuntu will let you know, but if it is not installed, it will automatically install it. In my case, it is already installed, which you can see here. So now let's move on to the second method. In this method, make sure your bash config file is loading the autocomplete system when the terminal starts. To check that, paste this command as you can see here and hit Enter. This page will appear, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you should see 2 lines that check if the system's autocomplete script exists and load it for your terminal. If this is available and you can see it correctly, press Ctrl plus O, then Enter, then Ctrl plus X, and back in the main terminal. Paste this command and hit Enter to reload your terminal configuration immediately. If bash is still giving trouble, you can try Z shell, a more advanced shell that supports powerful autocomplete and suggestions. To install it, paste this command and hit Enter, then press Y and Enter to start the installation and wait for it to complete. Next, paste the command from the description box to set up a framework with pre-installed plugins that improve autocomplete and command suggestions. Hit Enter, and once everything is installed, try typing a command to see intelligent positioning and completion immediately. That is it. Your terminal autocomplete should now be working properly with one of these solutions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and take care.